Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining -2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Suppose this is A, B. To divide this line into 4 equal parts, we have to mark 3 points on line segment AB such that these parts are equal. So this point is dividing the line segment into 1:3, and the second point is dividing into 2 equal halves, 1:1. Third point is dividing in the ratio of 3:1. Let us see this using graph, how it looks like. This is our point A, which is -2, 2, and point B is 2, 8. We have to find point P, Q and R so that this line is divided into 4 equal parts. Means AP is equals to PQ, PQ is equals to QR, QR is equals to RB. Find point P, we have to consider this as x1, y1 and x2, y2 and 1:3 as m:n in the sections formula. And to find Q, we have to use 1:1 as m:n, and for R 3:1. So we can find 3 points using section formula. So first we will find P. So P is dividing in the ratio of 1:3. So let us say this as m and n. Now applying this in the sections formula, mx2, which is 1 into 2 is 2, and nx1, 3 times of x1 is 3 times of -2 is -6, divided by m plus n is 1 plus 3, 4. Again nx2 is ny2 is 3 times 8 is my2 is 1 times 8 is 8 plus ny1 is 3 times 2 is 6 divided by 4. 2 minus 6 is -4 divided by 4, which is -1. Eight plus 6 is 14. 14 divided by 4 is 7 by 2. Now we will find point Q. Point Q divides the line segment into 1:1 ratio. So Q is equals to mx2 plus nx1. nx1 is -2 by m plus n is 1 plus 1, 2. Again my2 is 1 into 8 plus ny1 is 2 divided by 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 divided by anything is 0, and 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. This is point Q. Now we will find point R. Point R is dividing the line segment into 3:1 ratio. Now mx2, 3 times of 2 is 6 plus nx1, 2 times 1 times of -2 is -2 divided by m plus n is 4, and my2, 3 times of 8 is 24 plus ny1, 2 times 1 is 2 divided by 4. Now 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 24 plus 2 is 26, 26 by 4 is 13 divided by 2. These are the 3 points which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points a plus b, a minus b and a minus b, a plus b in the ratio of 3:2 internally. So we have to find this using sections formula. So here we will take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2, and 3:2 is m:n. So suppose this is a point A which is a plus b comma a minus b, and this is point B, which is a minus b comma a plus b. So now we need to find a point on this line segment AB such that this is dividing the line segment into 3:2. So we can use sections formula to find this. The point P is, we will substitute these values in this sections formula. mx2 means 3 times of a plus b, 3 times of a minus b, plus nx1 is 2 times of a plus b, divided by m plus n, which is 3 plus 2, 5. Again my2 is 3 times of a plus b plus 2 times of a minus b, ny1, divided by m plus n is 5. Now expand this. So 3 times of a 3a minus 3b plus 2a plus 2b divided by 5 comma 3a plus 3b plus 2a minus 2b divided by 5. So 3a plus 2a is 5a, minus 3b plus 2b is minus b divided by 5. Now 3a plus 2a is 5a, 3b minus 2b is plus b divided by 5. So these are the coordinates of the point P, which divides the line segment joining these points in the ratio of 3:2 internally. Find the coordinates of centroid of the triangle with vertices -1, 3, 6, -3, -3, 6. The centroid means the centroid of a triangle is the point where 3 medians of the triangles meet. Suppose this is one median, and this is one median, and this one. The point where all the medians meet is called the centroid of the triangle. The formula for centroid of the triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So using that formula we will find the centroid. In our case we can call this as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So substituting this in the centroids formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, so -1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3, 3 minus 3 plus 6 by 3. So 6 minus 3 is -4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 by 3 comma 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 by 3, 6 by 3 is 2. So this is the centroid of this triangle. Similarly, we will solve one more question, same like this. So in this case, we will consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now we will find the centroid using the formula of centroid, which is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So let us substitute in this formula. x1 is 6, x2 is 0, x3 is 4 divided by 3, y1 is 2, y2 is 0, y3 is -7 divided by 3. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 divided by 3, and 2 minus 7 is -5 divided by 3. We have one more question. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle with the vertices. So we will take it as x1, y1, x2, y3, x2, y2, x3, y3. So substituting in the same formula. centroid G is equals to x1 is 1, x2 is 0, x3 is minus 3 divided by 3, comma y1 is minus 1, y2 is 6 and y3 is 0 divided by 3. Here 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 3 and 6 minus 1 is 5 divided by 3. This is the centroid for this triangle.